Hi, madam. We are group 15. The destination chosen by our group is Asia, Malaysia. There are 7 members in our group.
Hi, my name is Leong Hui Ting, and my metric number is H20A1189.
Hi, my name is Da Winky and my metric number is H20A1838.
My name is Cha Shan Wen. Metric number H20A1123.
My name is Wong Shi Teng and my metric number is H20A1870.
My name is Lim Xing Ying, metric number H20A1190.
Hi, my name is Nur Faizati Fatiha binti Muhammad Shukri. My metric number is H20A1611.
Hi, my name is Nur Masdaliana binti Rosli. Metric number H20N1542.
I will presenting about the introduction of the destination. Malaysia is a country in Southeast Asia. The federal constitutional monarchy consists of 13 states and 3 federal territories, separated by the South China Sea in 2 regions, Peninsular Malaysia and Borneo East Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur is the national capital and largest city, while Putrajaya is the seat of the federal government. Malaysia with a population of over 32 million and is the world's 43rd most populous country. Above half, the population is ethnically Malay, with minorities of Chinese, Indians, and indigenous peoples. While recognizing Islam as the country's established religion, the constitution grants freedom of religion to non-Muslims. The country's official language is Malaysian, a standard form of Malay language. English remains an active second language. This is the map of Malaysia. Next is about the history. Malaysia is located on a strategic sea land that exposes it to global trade and various cultures. The name Malaysia is a modern concept created in the second half of the 20th century. Peninsular Malaysia was unified as the Malayan Union in 1946. Malaya was restructured as the Federation of Malaya in 1948 and achieved independence on 31 August 1957. Malaya united with North Borneo, Sarawak, and Singapore on 16 September 1963 to become Malaysia. By 1965, Singapore left the Federation through mutual agreement and became an independent state on its own.
Next, we will present facts and figures about Malaysia. The first fact and figures about Malaysia is number of tourism arrivals. The highest number of tourism arrivals in Malaysia is 2,806,565 in 2014, while the lowest number of tourism arrivals in Malaysia is 5,411 in 2020. Most of the international tourism are come from Singapore, Indonesia, and China. Secondly, the seasonality. There is no seasonal changes in climate in Malaysia. The average temperature range from 25 to 32 degrees Celsius, but there is difference in mountains area. For example, temperature for Genting Highland is 50 degrees Celsius. Thirdly, the currency. The currency for Malaysia is the Malaysian ringgit. The symbol is RM. Fourthly, the demographic profile. Most of the Malaysians are aged 25 to 54 years old, which has 40.86%. Next, there are 62% of the Malaysians are Bumiputera. Lastly, most of the Malaysians are Muslim, which has 61.3%.
Population. Malaysia 2020 population is estimated at 32,365,999 people. Malaysia ranks number 45 in the list of countries. The population density is 99 per square kilometer, and the total land area is 328,550 square kilometers. Next is capital city, Kuala Lumpur. The Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur, KL, is the national capital of Malaysia. Located on the central west coast of Peninsular Malaysia within the state of Selangor. Kuala Lumpur has grown rapidly in recent decades and is now the world's most visited city. On the other hand is people and language. People in Malaysia have Malays, Chinese, Indians, and other ethnic groups. The language in Malaysia have Bahasa Malaysia, English, Chinese, Tamil, and others. Besides that is the climate. Malaysia enjoys tropical weather. The best time to visit are January and February on the west coast, April in Sabah, June and July on the east coast and in Sarawak. The climate is very pleasant and the weather is characterized by warm sunny days and slightly cooler nights.
Malaysia is a multicultural country with much to offer visitors. Kuala Lumpur, the country's capital, is a cosmopolitan city with amazing shopping and stunning architecture. It's a short drive away from the capital. There are island, mountain, and record-breaking caves, as well as countless temples and unique chance to explore the fauna-rich jungle of Borneo. Number 1 is Petronas Twin Towers, Kuala Lumpur, which is the tallest twin towers in the world. The built using reinforced concrete, steel, and glass. The two towers are connected to each other by a dark sky bridge on the 41st and 42nd floors. There are activity at Petronas Twin Tower, which is shopping at Sudak LCC and Club Kio KL. Number 2 is Mount Kinabalu at Sabah, which is at just over 40,000 meters high. Mount Kinabalu is the tallest mountain in Malaysia. The mountain is part of Kinabalu Park, one of the oldest national parks in Malaysia and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So there are many facilities and activities at Mount Kinabalu, Sabah.
Taman Negara National Park. Taman Negara is the oldest primary rainforest in the world. Research has shown that this rainforest has never been influenced by ice age and other big change in time. Taman Negara is a place for the best jungle experience in Peninsular Malaysia, perfect for those that don't have the option for visiting the jungles of Borneo. There are many facilities and activity inside.
Number 1. Number 2.
Number 4. The largest flower in the world. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia arnoldii. It grows on Borneo Islands in Kinabalu National Park and it can grow up to 1 meter in diameter. It has a powerful smell of rotting meat which attracts insects to pollinate the plants. Number 5. Total highway length is longer than the Earth's circumference. Malaysia has 65,877 kilometers of highway. The Earth's circumference is only 40,075 kilometers.
Marketing and promotional strategy used in promoting, positioning, and branding the destination. For the campaign, Visit Malaysia Year is an occasional campaign that aims to highlight the best service that Malaysia can provide as a leading tourist destination in Asia. Through the selected theme Visit Truly Asia Malaysia, countless exciting activities have been lined out to showcase Malaysia's rich service in art, culture, gastronomy, history, natural beauty, and other aspects. And for the advertising, the colorful logo of VMY 2020 not only represents the abundance of flora and fauna in Malaysia, but also symbolizes cultural diversity featuring the ionic rhino hornbill, red hibiscus as our natural flower, and whale ferns. Besides, the official theme song of VMY 2020 combines traditional music elements and modern music.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you.